Hello, this is the amazing Adam, and I'm so excited that you joined me to learn how to make a dollar bill bow tie. Dollar bill origami is a lot of fun, and I hope you have fun with this video. Now remember, you'll want to start with a nice crisp dollar bill. A wrinkled one will work, but crisp ones work a lot better. Now before we do the first fold, which you'll see me do here, make sure you line up your corners and then push out to the fold. That way you get a nice crisp fold that's nice and even. The first fold will be long ways, straight down the middle. So we'll line up those corners, and once they're lined up, push towards that fold so that you have a nice solid line. Now that line won't remain, it's simply a guide for the next fold. This one you will take the outside edge and fold to the center, lining up the corners, and then pushing out again so you have a nice fold. This fold will remain for most of the video. Now turn it over, and of course we're going to fold again straight to that center line you made. In this way, you'll have both sides folded to the center. Make sure to line up those corners. The next fold is going to be in the center, straight over George's face. Yep, that's George Washington, the founder of our country. He's on the dollar bill, and we are now going to put a crease straight across his face. Once you have that one, again lining up your corners, you'll be ready to do another preparation fold. This one, you will take the corners next to his face and fold them to the center, almost like you're making an airplane. Now this fold won't remain, it's a preparation fold, but you'll do it on both sides. Now once you have that bend made, you will then unfold it and then flip the dollar bill over and do it to the other side. This again prepares you for another fold. So once you've done both corners on this side, you will then unfold them, and you're going to do a reverse bend where you'll push the fold you just made into the center. So kind of open it up and push using the creases that are there as a guide, and try to make it nice and straight, and do this on both sides. This is very important for the opening of the dollar bill once the bow tie is complete. Now you have what looks like a little rocket, but you'll now take and fold over that point from the other side. So as you see, the point is underneath that fold, and you'll simply use that as a guide where you have the bends and the solid part of the bill to help you line it up. Once you've done both sides, you can see that you now have a little bit of a shorter bill, but you're also ready to do the last folds. These will be the inside corners now, which now you have 4 of them, where you'll fold them to the center line. Once you do that on one side, flip it over, and do it again on the other side. Now you have again what looks like a mini rocket, but this time it's shorter because you've used up some of the bill. Now comes the most tricky part. Once those 2 folds are complete, you're now going to open up the bill and hold the folds in place while you try and push to get the face of George Washington to open up and lie flat. Now you almost have the bow tie complete. If you'll try to open it up now, not completely, just on the outer edges, being careful not to unfold it, you'll see the bow tie take shape. There you go. It looks like a bow tie. Now as you get it evened out, kind of press it down. It's ready for your night on the town in your formal wear, or of course just to display. There you have it. Now stay tuned. You'll see a video where everything is in fast motion so you can see the bill unfold really fast right before your eyes. Here it goes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. But I hope this helps you out in whatever you use it for, whether with kids, adults, at church, school, or play. Again, my name is Adam Schmidgall, or the Amazing Adam. Now I do have other content out there on paper folds and cuts, so please check out what I have and have fun. Now I do hope that all of this blesses you, and that you're able to enjoy and use it to serve others and make them smile. God bless.